welcome to our channel. You are watching Aroma Dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a simple, easy and tasty recipe of lady's finger fry, which is made in North Indian style. As an information, lady's finger is also known as okra or bindi in another language. These are the main ingredients we need for our recipe today. And first of all, we need to rinse 250 grams of lady's finger in water and wipe them, and we can chop the okra in any way you like and keep it aside. Firstly, we need to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in the shallow pan. And later we have to add mustard seeds, along with 1 chopped onion, and along with 1 garlic, and also some washed curry leaves. And we have to mix and saute it for a half minute. We have to mix it until there's a smell. Later we have to add 2 small red chilies and mix it well. And along with some anchovies. And also some turmeric powder. Mix it all together evenly. After mixing the masala all together, we have to add the chopped lady's finger and mix it well for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes soft. Stir and mix it very well with the rest of the masala. For a better taste, we have to add Kashmir chili powder. And stir it very well. To avoid the lady's finger sticking into our pan, we need to add some water to it. And lastly, we need to add salt as per taste. This is the outcome of our healthy and simple and easy dish for today.